Hi, how are you? This is Marty Norton, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing at 40 Waterman Road in Buxton, Maine. This is a Cape-style farmhouse built in 1890, and it's been renovated over the years. It has 10 rooms, 3 bedrooms, an attached 2-car garage, and a nice huge barn in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and check it out. Okay, we're right into the main part of the Cape style farmhouse. This room here is the front room. We have Waterman Road directly in front of us. This would be considered the living room. And over here is one of 3 original fireplaces that have been boarded up. And over here, there's a nice little office, other bonus room. And moving right straight through this little hallway, we're going into like a parlor room, a few built-ins right there, and right into another bonus room. This bonus room could be an office. You have built-ins. You also have the 3rd fireplace. At one time it was a fireplace, but they've all been boarded up. The wide pine floors here. The rest of the house is mostly a combination of laminate, carpet, and this would be considered the dining room. As you can see, carpeted. And this room here, we're not going to go to the basement, but that's the access to the basement. Another fireplace there. And we're coming into the laundry room. Access outside from the laundry room or an eat-in kitchen. This here is a stove, a cook stove that it's called the President, and it's from a company called the Kalamazoo Stove Company. I'm not sure if it's ever been used recently, but that would be for the next owner. And then you have an older style kitchen cabinets with a slate countertop, okay? And a built-in over here to the side. Next, this room here was used as a bedroom, but it's sort of like a, I'd say a family room type spot. And again, you have access to the backyard, and it's pretty clean back there. So next we're going to head up to the 2nd floor. There's a couple of bedrooms up there. We'll check them out right now. Oh, before we go upstairs, I just wanted to show you the full bath on the 1st floor. You have a shower, vanity, and then we're going to go to the 2nd floor and check out those bedrooms. Okay, we're on the 2nd floor of the Cape style farmhouse. Right here is an attic room, okay, for storage. And off to the side here, we're going to walk through a quick closet. There's 2 entryways to this closet, or it can be used as a sitting room or office, whatever. And through the hallway, there's access with a 2nd set of stairs down to the 1st floor, but the 1st floor side has been blocked off, so the next owner can certainly use their creativity. We're in the primary bedroom here on the 2nd floor, and as you can see, it's a spacious room, and floors are laminate here, and into the bathroom there is tile, and you do have a pocket door. The bathroom is, fairly new, and nice skylight up above as well. Next, we're going to head over to the garage. Okay, we are now in the oversized garage. There are 2 garage spaces here, and this is attached to the house, and it's also attached to the barn. You have your oil tank here. You have a nice work area, work benches over here, and some other things as well. You have a room here. We're not going to go into it. It's just a room. And then you have entrance right into the barn. Now over here to the right is the barn. and it's separated into 5 rooms. And if you're interested in seeing the barn, you can set up a showing and you can check it out at that time. As you can see, you have over 5 acres of land here, plenty of place for growing, plenty of places to meander around, and we have a metal shed off behind the garage, and this property is going to hit the market this week. And if you are working with a broker, feel free to call the broker and set up a showing. If you are not working with a broker, call me, Marty Norton. I'm with Keller Williams Realty, a member of the Markup team, and my number is 207-408-6861, Marty Norton, and enjoy the day.